Welcome to Grooming Moms. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our latest video.
Children, today we will learn about letter A. This is letter A. A makes the sound A. A says A. This is the capital letter A and this is the small letter A. Now children, let us learn the vocabulary of letter A. A makes the sound A. This is an apple. Apple is a fruit. It is of red color. A for apple. This is an ant. A for ant. Ant is a small insect. This is an alligator. A for alligator. Alligator is a water animal. This is an axe. A for axe. This is an airplane. Airplane is an air transport. Now let's revise them again. A for apple, red apple. A for ant, a small insect. A for alligator, a water animal. A for axe. A for airplane. It is an air transport. Well done, children. Great work.
Happy parenting from Grooming Moms. Give us a thumbs up and like the video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our latest video.